Hi everyone, welcome to Standard. So this video is all about the extreme reversal setup. So I'll just tell you guys about. I got 4 alerts. So what to consider, what not to consider, all those things I'll be like explaining guys on the extreme reversal setup. So kindly watch this video so that you guys can understand what has happened, what needs to be considered, and what you need to do in the live market. Clear? So I've also made a video on the Nifty analysis using Camarella as well as the Vic reversal setup, which is the only alert I got for Nifty today, and that has also been shared with the members. So if you guys are interested to know about the Camarella analysis, it's just 15 rupees. You guys can opt in for 15 rupees plan and go for the analysis with respect to Camarella as well as OR strategy videos also are also there, and then you guys also can like understand about the Vic reversal setup which I was given. Clear. So now moving further. So we have got 4 alerts: Asian Paint, BPCL, Grasim, and NTPC. Let's go by one by one. First, let us see Asian Paints. Okay, so this is the Asian Paints chart. So what are the prerequisites? So prerequisites is like the this is the extreme candle. Clear. Before this extreme candle, some you can take amount of 5 or 6 or 10 candles, like average of all the 10 candles in the particular time frame. 15 minutes time frame is what I use, and average of all the 15-minute candles, like take a range of 6 candles or 7 candles or for 2 hours. So all these candles, if you multiply by 2, it should be lesser than this extreme candle. Yes, correct. Second one is like you should have some rejection at the top because this is a green candle, so you should have some rejection on the top. Yeah, it is a fair rejection, not a good rejection. It is like okay rejection. And the third one is like the next candle should be an opposite color candle. Clear. So what you can do is like below this candle you can go for an entry, and above this candle is a stop loss. And ultimately this entry got triggered at this zone. Clear. The entry got triggered at this zone, and after that it did not move 1:1 and started moving sideways. So to me, this Asian Paints is not a loss trade. It's not a like it's not a successful trade or it's not a failure trade. It just went sideways because none of the target or none of my stop loss got hit. Clear. So this is one Asian Paints, and kindly consider this wick, because why am I saying kindly asking you to consider, this is not a good wick. I would say this is a okay wick. That is what I can say. So that is why I say, based on your experience, try to have some more bit more larger wick so that that will be helpful for your trade. And the next stock is BPCL. Okay, so this is the stock, BPCL stock. Clear. And average of the previous candles, I would say this is not, because this candles, if I add another candle, that will be like almost equal to this. So I'm not considering the first criteria has failed, and the second criteria is like the big is not even good, like not even okay, like Asian Paint. So second also failed, and the third is only passed, like the opposite color candle. So I'm not taking a trade in BPCL. Yeah. And then Grasm. Clear. Grasm again, first candle. This candle, if I multiply by 2, it will be more than this. So first failed. Okay, and the wick should be at the top because this is a green candle and we are going to go for sell side. There should be wick at the top, but there is not much wick. So second criteria also failed, and the third one is opposite color. But still, firstly, the entry is not triggered. Secondly, is like the first criteria failed, second criteria failed. So we should not consider grazing. Yeah. And the last stock, NTPC. Okay, NTPC is a stock, and this is the extreme candle, and average of 5 to 6 candles. It looks like okay. The first criteria is okay, done, and the second criteria looks like okay, like Asian Paints, not that good. It's like okay only, and the second criteria is okay, and the third one is like the opposite color candle. Yes, it is good, clear. But now you guys need to decide whether you will get 1:1 or not. See, this candle's high is around 108.175, and this is 107.80. Nearly 1 rupee is the stop loss, and our to be frank, the extreme reversal, this should be the first target. This high, the candle's high should be the first target. But then I always stick to 1:1. So that is what I prefer. So this candle's high is 109.515, and this is 108.75. I'm not even seeing a 1:1 ratio, so I would avoid this trade. Even though the criteria is fulfilled, but still I am avoiding the trade because I don't see a 1:1 trade. Clear? But if you are taking a trade, yes, obviously you would have got some good returns. But to be very genuine, if I even though I read the strategy from Secret of a Good Boss, but always I stick to my risk management strategy. So based on the strategy, this is not a trade for me. Clear? So that's it for my end. So in case of anything else, do let me know in the comment section or your feedback so that it will be helpful for me to make some good amount of videos. Also, one request to you all is like kindly like and share this and share this to your friends and family so that they will also get benefit. Thanks for watching more videos.